Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn pause in background on or off in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening settings. From here, select Game. In here, look for Pause game in background. You can toggle this option on or off. Once you make your choice, hit apply to save changes. Now you can close the menu. If you are mid-game and you do not have immediate access to the main menu, as you can see, you can press the escape key and then go to settings. Then follow the guide as previously stated. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.